Hi, my name is Florian. Welcome to my training video, Free and Easy Odoo Playground. Now maybe you ask yourself, what is Odoo? Odoo is an open source ERP system that is on the market for a while, and I highly recommend it and I really love it. And these are 7 reasons why I love Odoo. Like you can see on this presentation, because the first reason is it's free. This means if you download it and install it on your own PC or your own server somewhere, it's totally free for you. You don't have to pay for it. And like me, I use it also like on a cloud. And I pay like $12 a month, so it's very cheap. It's like having a website online, but it's a full business software. And the second reason why I love it, it's a very active open source project and also easily to customize. There are many programmers around the world who are customizing this software and others who are developing it. And the company who does this, who owns Odoo, Odoo SA in Belgium, we got like a really big investors, and now we are really in the last years we are really investing a lot in this software, and this is why soon comes out also for the public the new version for all the new businesses. We can use it. It's Odoo 9. But I highly recommend it for now on to use still the version 8, because 9 is still not so stable. It's very new on the market, there are still many bugs in it, and so I really suggest you, if you want to play around, use the version 8. The next advantage is the user interface is very friendly and it's also easy to learn. It's not really difficult to learn, it's very easy. If you can use a browser, internet and all this, it's enough also to be able to use Odoo. Because Odoo you will use it in a browser, in an internet browser. And I really love the user interface because it's very easy. Much more easier to learn and to understand than SAP. Then the next advantage, it offers everything what you need as a startup or small business. We will see what it offers, but it has really everything. From accounting to warehouse management to project management to CRM, everything what you need as a business, even e-commerce, blog, forum, website builder, you have everything inside. So depending what you need for your own business, if it's a home business, if you're a freelancer, you can use it for any kind of business. And then the next advantage, it works on your home PC, on a server or as a software as a service cloud solution. So it's really great that you can use it really for everything what you need. So you can have it everywhere. If you want, for example, if you have some security issues that your company data is on the cloud, you can use on a standalone server in your company or a home PC. It doesn't matter where you can install it on Windows, it works on Mac OS, it works on Linux, you can use it on any type of system. And the 7th reason, it excites me like SAP. And when I really discovered it, I was really astonished and I wondered, how is it possible that such a business software that it's normally like worth over $12,000, you normally would have to pay for it, it's for free. And this is the great thing, it's really for free. You can still buy some new apps, additional customization, you can still buy some professional programmed extensions for Odoo and also like professional themes additional. It's everything possible to expand it. But if you don't have any budget or very low budget, this is really a great all-in-one business software for your home business, for your small business, and if you want really to grow with your business. This is a very good starting point. Now the Odoo apps or modules. Odoo has really many apps, like for example, like I said, accounting, with many charts of accounts for different countries. Even for my country, for Austria, I was really surprised that it offered for Austria a chart of accounts. Even a customer relationship manager, you can really, all your leads, all your potential customers, all your customers you can manage there. And it has also a production module. Okay, I see here it's still in German. It has really a production module where you can manage your whole production, what you have. If it's a small production or a big production, it doesn't matter, you can handle it. Bill of materials, everything what you need. It has also a project management tool, and it offers also a Kanban and a Gantt view. It's a really great tool to manage simple projects. It has also a support ticket system. So if you have customers, if you have product and you send them to your customers, the customers can log in your portal, customer portal, and also activate a support ticket. It has a website builder, like I said, and including a blog, a forum, a knowledge management system. It has really everything what you need. A full-fledged custom content management system. And there are also even some additional extensions for it, so that you can also use the e-commerce with this website builder, so that you can sell products, services, and also events. You can sell events tickets with it. So it offers really everything what you need. And so let's get started, so that we have our first playground to play with Odoo. For this we have to go on to the website. So, odoo.com. You see here their websites, where I announced also that Odoo 9 has arrived. Here you can see the different types of modules, what it offers, the main modules. It has also additional modules and extensions. And like you can see, over 2 million people around the world are already using it. And other companies are partially or fully using it, like all these famous companies like Danone, Hyundai, Jack in the Box, Worldwide Fund. So, okay, so let's start it. Like, if you scroll down fully here, you can start your playground just by typing it like a fantasy name, like My Biz. Okay, start. Now we choose the first application, let's say a CRM we want to start with. Our name, we can type any name, it doesn't matter. We just need a real email address so that we can activate it. Then, okay, we can type any number, it doesn't matter. So, company size, we have under 5 employees, and I want just to, I'm a student or a teacher, and now let's start. So, now it will create my account. So it takes a while to install everything, get to prepare. And now, like what you can see here, this is Odoo 9 already. Okay, let's go here to settings. So, like we can see here, this is our dashboard. So let's go to translation, load a translation. Let's load English US. load. Okay. And now let's change for our user the language. Like you can see, it's still set to French, but we want it to be in English or German or whatever language you want. Modifier. I think this is what it means in French. So let's change it to English. Time zone, we can also change it. Like for me, Europe, Vienna, and save it. So, let's try to refresh if it works for us. To have it in English. Okay, here we are. Now it's everything in English. That's great. So, now if you want to try something out, we can go here and we see what it is already installed. Like the calendar is installed for our contacts, our sales, and our apps, settings and discussions. So if you want an additional app to try, for example, project management, we just need, you can choose right away install, or you can choose project management to see more information about project management. You can see here some explanation how it works, what you can do with it. And here you can also then start the installation. Okay. Here is like a warning. If you want to really use it after the trial time, you have to pay for this project management tool additional fee. But for us, we just use it as a playground. We don't need to enter any credit card information or anything else, so it will be totally free for us. So, and here we are. We can start a new project, play around with it, and see how it works in Odoo. And if you want to try some other apps, just click on apps, choose the app what you would like to try, for example the e-commerce app. If you want to try it out, you see here what you can do with it. Okay, so let's install it. You get again the warning that you would have to pay if you would use the cloud service. It takes a while. So, it's still working. Sometimes you need to have a little bit patient because it's some of the apps are quite big and they need to be installed, configured and everything. But like you can see, it doesn't take that much. So, with the installation of e-commerce, also there are sometimes dependencies with other apps, and so the other apps are getting also installed, like here the accounting. To use the e-commerce you need also the accounting, and here you can see like your accounting dashboard. So now we can go back to our menu, and here we can click on website. And here we are with this app e-commerce. Also the website builder gets installed, also the accounting gets installed, and some other modules are also installed. And here, like you can see, this is already your website, the front end. And here you can start customizing. If you are logged in, you will get this menu bar at the top. And this is like the menu bar for your website, and this is the footer of your website. And you can change the content management system of Odoo. Is very user friendly. You just need to, if you want to change anything, you just need to go to edit and then start editing. For example, if you want to change this products and services, you can click on it and already change it. And here on the upper bar you have a menu and format to write how you want it, to change the colors, size, everything what you like, to enter a link. You can change it very easily, and you can just click on it, whatever you want to change. And even also add additional languages. You can use different languages for your website. And you can change anything on this website. And if you want, for example, even if you want to change the website, like to add a banner, it's very easy. On the left here you have for the structure, like if you like a banner, you just drop it here and you have a banner, and then you can click on it and customize it. For example, if you want to change it and choose another image, it's very easy, just click on it or upload it and save. And like you can see here, it's already changed. If you want to change the background, just click on the background. You see here then the customize, and you can change the different types of backgrounds. It's that easy. It's really very easy to use. And here we are. It's so easy. My biz banner. Visit us on Facebook, and then you can click here, and the customer can click here. You can change what happens if you click. It's also very easy. Here you have it at the top. You can change where it goes, this link. If a customer click, you can choose an existing page, or you can just HTTP website domain to enter. You just need to enter it. You can change the color. For example, if I want it blue, you can change the size if you want it a larger. Save it, and it's done. It's that easy. And if you want to add additional blocks, it's also very easy. For example, in 3 columns, if you want to add your products, your services, just drop down it. Drop. So you can add additional features. For example, you can add references, quote slider, feature grid. You can really add image gallery. You have so many possibilities here. All this at your tip of your finger. So just play around. Just play around. You cannot really destroy it. You can just play around. If you don't like it anymore, you can create a new company additional, or you can delete whatever you like. And it's not only a great content management system, it's also very search engine friendly for optimization. You can optimize also your page here to define the keywords, the reference your page, everything, descriptions and everything. You can really optimize it for Google and other search engines. And you can add here new pages, new product pages. You can customize to choose another theme, to change the theme, to install additional apps for the website builder, and even an HTML editor is built in, where you can change it, save it. So if you are familiar with coding, so you can do it. So, and here we go to the shop. And here at the shop you can start building other the products, to add your product, the prices. It's also very easy. It's the same thing like here. You can change the pages here, or the other way, you can add contact, for example a new product. Product name, my biz product. So, and here we can add the image, choose an image for my product, let's say this computer, not the lasagna. We can add the price for it, let's say 1,000 euro, and we could add like additional text to it, additional images, or a free column, explanations. You can do everything with it. And if you are done, just click save and everything is saved, and you can publish your product so that everybody can see it, can buy it. So in the next step, a customer can already buy it. So with Odoo you can really have a very fast, you can really in very short time build your own web shop and get online. It's like in a couple of hours you could have already your products online and start selling. So that your customer can already register, and even you could also install, you have also PayPal possibility. Okay, let's go to apps. Let's delete this and search for PayPal. Here it is. Let's install it. So, after installing it, you can test it. You can have PayPal in test mode, or if you want, you can already use it at your PayPal email address. Here we have it. Here we have it. We can add our credential, PayPal email, PayPal merchant ID. So use the IPN, that's okay. So save it and publish it on our website. So with this, it's already set up the PayPal for your e-commerce site, so you could already start selling. It's that easy. So I think you get what I mean. I don't want to make this video too long, but I think you get that it's really a great ERP system that has much more than the standard modules. It offers much more. It's really like all-in-one solution. Especially if you are just like a one-man show, you can really have your whole business inside. You can have really for a very little amount of money what you have to invest in it. You have to invest time, that's for sure, because you need to learn it. And you have, if you want to have it on a cloud, you need to buy some services in this area. But there are really very cheap possibilities to have Odoo as a cloud service. They are really, because like I said, I have it for my own, and I pay like $12 per month. So it's really not that much. It's really like having a website. Just it's much more than a website, because like you can see here, you can have really much more possibilities what you can do with it. And the great thing is, it's not just an e-commerce. When you are starting your business, it grows with you. This software will grow with you. Over time you can use more and more of these apps. Like for example, if you start hiring people, you can activate the recruitment process. You can the employee appraisals. You can start everything here. Employee directory. You can really manage your people. You can manage your warehouse. If you have a big warehouse or a small warehouse, you can manage it with it. Even a fleet management. So if you have some people, salespeople with company cars, you can manage all your cars here. And much more you can do with it. Just play around and you will see that's really a great software. And so I thank you for watching this video. My name is Florian Jong. I'm a consultant, trainer and coach here in Vienna. So if you're interested, go to my website www.ionctc.com. So thank you for watching, subscribe my channel and see you later.